Hello everyone, this is my first attempt at recording a video, so please be patient. In a moment I am going to have another video showing how to easily make a tutorial using a screen capture program I have. But I needed to install this software on the computer. This software here, I'm going to double click it from the network. It takes a little while to start from the network. I'm showing you this video so you can see when you're installing on a private computer or one of the office computers the dangers of not reading the terms and accidentally installing extra software with the installer. So we get this dialog that says if we want to run it or not. If this ever pops up on your screen unexpectedly, the answer is always cancel. This is here to protect your computer from installing software from the internet that you did not want. In this case, we did want it. We did run the file, so we are going to click Run. The software is going to start in a second. In the meantime, I'm going to minimize this to stop the distraction. Many of these shareware companies want to add extra software such as toolbars and such to your computer because they get paid from those companies for every install they get on your computer. It's not a pleasant thing, but it's one of the things you can watch out for. Alright, in this screen, it's asking you if you want to install the software. This one's okay. You click Next. The next one, if you read, it's the license agreement. This says you're not going to do anything bad with the software, etc., etc. You could read it if you want. I don't know anyone who does. I agree. This asks you for the default path. Most of the time you would just pick it and pick Install. Now sometimes there would have been some extra selection boxes asking if there was extra stuff, and you may have said no to those. It would be very good to actually watch. This one, on the other hand, is after it installs, it comes up with this box. If you look at it very carefully, it looks like an agreement, such as that first policy agreement. But what it actually is it's asking you if you want to install the Search Protect and set it as the home page of your browser. This is actually a form of malware. It'll take over your browser, and you do not want it at all because it is very hard to remove. So we are going to say decline to that. We don't want it. It also asks again, do you want to use Squirrel Web, whatever Squirrel Web is? It lets you do shopping and comparisons and stuff and does all sorts of horrible things to your computer and probably intercepts your privacy, etc., etc. So this one we want to decline also. You would automatically hit agree because it looks like an agree button, but it is not. If we look at it carefully, we want to decline it. Reading these is the only way to protect your computer. So I click decline, and it continues the install. I'm done. I don't really care about the README. A desktop shortcut is kind of nice. And I click finish. It's not going to make a desktop shortcut because I have the billion shortcuts hidden, but the software is installed. If I go to my start menu, there it is. I could start it, and this is a fantastic program. And no, I don't really want the update right now. You don't have to register it because you're going to use it for personal use, sort of. Run program for update. If you don't want to be mess with the updates, turn it off, and the program is ready to use, which I will show you how to use in another video. So thank you, and we will stop this video right now.